Hariom children, we will continue the chapter The Nature of Matter. Children, in the last video we have read about the composition and properties of three states of matter. Clear? And today we will read about the explanation for the existence of three states of matter and reasons for difference in properties of three states of matter. First we have to come here. For the existence of three states of matter, existence means you know how it exists. Okay, three states of matter, you know, that is the solid, liquid and gases. Here four things we have to remember. Okay, how the molecules are arranged, okay, in three states. Next, what we have to read, we have to remember that intermolecular spaces and intermolecular force of attraction and whether the molecules move or not. These four things we have to read. Okay, in the case of the solid, what happened, this one I have pictured here. Solids, you can see that the molecules are closely packed together. Okay, and second one, what I have told, intermolecular space, there is no space at all in between the molecules. Intermolecular force of attraction, the third one. Okay, the force of attraction is very strong. Okay, and as you know that the force of attraction is strong, there is no space at all and they are closely packed together, so the molecules of the solid, they cannot move at all, and if they move, they just vibrate in their position only. Clear? So this is the reason for the existence of the solid. Next we will come to the liquids. Here also what we have to remember, four things only, and how it is arranged. You can see here the molecules of the liquids. Okay, how they are arranged, there are little space in between the molecules. Okay, the intermolecular force of attraction, it is not so strong. Okay, next what happened, they move, you can say that as little space is there, so they move up to how much space is allowed to them, or we can say within their boundary only, but they can move. Okay, so this is the existence, or this is the reason for the existence of the liquids. The third states of matter, it is the gas. Gas, what happened, the molecules are far apart from each other. Okay, and what happened, there is more space in between them, in between the molecules, and the intermolecular force of attraction, it is almost zero, we can say, or it is negligible. Understood? Now what happened, the molecules, as there is so much space is there and intermolecular force of attraction is almost negligible, so they can move freely. Understood, children? The three states of matter, okay, how they exist or what is the reason for their existence, the 4 points I have told. Okay, point wise you will remember so that you can understand. Clear? Now next come to know about reasons for the differences in properties of three states of matter. What is the reason? Okay, that means what happened, you know that solids are totally different from liquid, liquid are different from gases. Okay, so what is the reason for this? The three reasons are there, as I have told you, almost intermolecular force of attraction or intermolecular force, intermolecular space. Okay, and the last one or the third one I have almost discussed in the previous class, that is the random motion of particles. This random motion of particles, it is again divided into two types. Okay, one is the diffusion, another one is the Brownian motion. Okay, diffusion I have told you, you can say the definition I have told. Okay, now let us come to know one by one. Intermolecular space. What is the meaning of the intermolecular space? The space in between the molecules, it is known as the intermolecular space. Clear? Intermolecular force, the force of attraction or the force by which the molecules just combined or they gather together, that is known as the intermolecular force. Okay, the third one is, it is the random motion of the particles. Random motion of particles, I have told you, it is divided into two, diffusion and the Brownian motion. Clear? Diffusion, I have told children that as you know that the solids, they do not diffuse at all. The liquids, they diffuse. Okay, but not as compared to gases. They cannot diffuse as fast as gases, but they diffuse. Okay, whereas the gases, they diffuse very fast. Clear? So on the basis of the diffusion, the liquids are divided into two types of the liquids are there. One is the miscible liquid, another one is the immiscible or the non-miscible liquid. Clear? Now let us just go to an activity so that we can understand it properly. Children, as you know, I have told just now, diffusion, it is the intermingling of the substances by the natural movement of the particles. It is known as the diffusion. Okay, so based on the diffusion, as you know that the liquids diffuse, okay, they can diffuse easily. So the liquids are divided into two categories. One is the miscible liquid and another one is the immiscible liquid. Now in these two glasses you can see I took water only, and here you can see it is the oil, whereas here it is the milk. Okay, now water, I want to mix this water with milk, okay, and oil with water. That means these two substances we have to mix together, and let us see what happened. As this is the milk, I want to mix here. You can see here, children. Now these two, you can see totally white in color. This is okay, that means these two, that means water and milk, they mix together. So this is the miscible liquid, whereas this is the water, okay, and this is the oil. You can see I want to pour some drop of oil inside the water, okay. What you are observing, see what you are observing, the water is present down only and the oil particles on the top, you can see, okay, oil particles on the top. It is not mixed, okay, these two substances, they never mix together. So this type of liquid, it is known as the immiscible liquid. So it is a immiscible liquid, whereas milk, it is a miscible liquid. Clear? Children, our second motion of the particles, it is the Brownian motion, and it is the zigzag motion of the particles suspended in a medium. Okay, and it is all about for today's class. Go through the video and try to understand.